Testing, 1, 2, 3, testing.
I'm a simple man, don't wanna complicate you.
Hey guys, what's up? This is Ed with Living Dadly. I'm picking a quiet spot to talk to you guys. I am at the Sony event where I just came out of the Sony event, and it was a really fun event. So I hope you enjoy. All the footage that you'll see in this video is from this event, and I hope you enjoy it. What's up everybody, this is Ed. Prop myself in. I'm a little spoiled after using a Sony camera, and I have to say this was a really good event. I highly recommend you guys try out the Alpha series if you haven't done so already. Primarily I'm a Canon shooter, but after trying out a Sony camera, I have to say I am very, very tempted. It feels a little more advanced coming from a Canon camera, but the images are great. I took a boatload of images with the Sony Alpha series camera. Awesome camera. This was a really cool event because they had a series of photo shoot opportunities. One was a car, my dream car. One was a couple of guys doing boxing. Another one was a woman, well two actually, in kind of like this goth Halloween style makeup and outfit. Really awesome. And the And then the last one, which was my personal favorite, they had puppies. Puppies. You can't beat puppies. Wait till you see these puppies. And the big thing is that they were all up for adoption. So guys, you're going to be seeing a lot of images from this event. And the cool thing that Sony does, that I didn't even know honestly, is that they let you keep the card. I thought that was really nice. I didn't know you can do that. So I took a boatload of images for you to check out. I'll be posting a video soon. Where's the light? Give me the light. Yes. What's up, everybody? This is Ed with Living Dadly, coming out of the Sony events, which was really cool. They let us play around with, trying to get some light here, with their latest Alpha series cameras, which were intense. I have to say they really did a nice job of allowing us to give us photo shooting opportunities. They had a series of photo shoot ops everywhere. So I am just leaving the event. It's kind of dark. Okay, I'm going to be posting this on the channel soon. I hope you enjoy it. It was really cool to try out a really top grade professional camera. And I have never done shooting with a Sony camera before, so this was really interesting. And the pictures were just, some of the shots were incredible. I'm really interested in taking a look, and I hope you guys find it interesting as well. So, signing off. Hope you enjoyed that coverage of the Sony Alpha Be Alpha event. And as always, I'll catch you in the next video. That out.